gorgeous, let's pack the orders. So, eto, unahin natin yung bound to Cavite. Cavite. Yeah, so, for, ano tayo nalagay? Bound to Cavite. Wait. Okay. For Paul Rabanso, para sa kanyang girlfriend, pasalubong niya. XXL Scarlett. Then, XXL, bagong labas to, hindi pa siya na-i-launch. Antonia, very classy. Yayamanin ang dating. XXL Antonia. Ayan. Actually, siya yung nag-request ng design, ng print, ng fabric para sa kanyang girlfriend. Okay. So, actually, it's a new, fresh, and new design from XXL. Yan. Okay, XXL. And then, yes, of course, cute siya. Alright, for this. And then, ang name ng kanyang girlfriend ay Pau. For Pau from Cavite. And pretty. Okay. Tapos, yan na. Meron ka niyan. And this one. Hope you like it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nahulog siya. Tama siya dito. Yeah, tama siya dito. Siguro. To Cavite. Right. Next. For Zendra, Tayabas, Quezon. Tayabas, Quezon. Ayan. Box. Line art with her name, Zendra. Tote bag. And then XXL Zendra. Okay, Zendra. So, kinuha ko yung name sa name niya mismo para dito. I think Spanish. Zendra. I got this name from Zendra. Ang ganda nitong batang ito. Model ito sa ibang bansa. Sa Italy, I guess. Italy or Spain. Not sure. Pero model siya ng Guess. Fashion model. And Sabrina to. Sabrina. XXL Sabrina. XXS Amber. Cute. Mini Forest Blossom. Actually, hindi pa na-i-release ng lahat. Itong dalawa na ito. Yes. So, i-launch natin yan. Then, so that, of course, and here. And the pink. And this one. Okay. For you, Zendra. Okay. Narciso Quezon. Ito na siya ilagay. To Gail Medanilia. Thank you, bebe. Gail. Gail, how are you? XXS Scarlet. XXS Luna. XXS Julian. Yep. For you, Gail. This is for you, Gail. Sticker, of course. This one. Ay, naliktad. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. XL box na ilan ang lalagyan. Okay, mabili. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Apelido mo ngayon. Yan. Thank you, Gail. Thank you. So, next. Enjoy. XXS. Bakit XXS? Okay, tote bag. Tote bag from XXL and Co. Wine Novel. Ayan, ganda yan. Wheel. Bakit may white? Hindi, kinagano na natin yan bago yan i-deliver sa customer. Kasi yung black, kahit kaunti yung himul-mul, siya ay maselan. So, kailangan siya ay ginagamit ko.